Now we record this. Yeah, man. Live and direct. Alright. For you see the face, I hear the voice, and I don't know a Cogency on the Cogency Reacts channel. And today, we have OFB, YF, DZ, No Hook. Last song I listened from YF and DZ was Plugged In. You understand? I did rate it, I really listen to it like that. I think I listened to it 2 times still. I just remember when one of them say, I try bang bang like a fucking fuck. Something like that. But other than that, I don't really listen to it still. I'm more, now OFB, you're really more band okay, double L's, is part. You understand? The old SJ song, them and, you know, Heady One, RV. You know the thing, go. But them tough still. So don't sleep on them. But you don't know, now wait too long, now waste too much time. Gaming channel and music channel in the description below. Subscribe to them channel, they may have new music forward soon. Yeah man, I could jump in it right now. Cool edit, drill season.
It's Matter of Beats.
Big up Matter of Beats. Pac-Man TV. Pac-Man TV. And Gotcha. Who that Junebug? Who that Brad? Who that Blitty? Watch him.
DZ, I don't know about L's unless that shit there ends in V. Please, man can never chat for me, I come old school.
You know the first line already now, the list them start. Oh boy, the mother just can't help themselves now. The first line, first this. Ready. Big up NPK still.
DZ, I don't know about L's unless that shit there ends in V. Please, man can never chat for me, I come old school like Ed Hardy. I wet man in their blood clot face, so man get bun out, then that tip fleece. Try step on the this, you're joking, man, poke him, then leave that scheme.
Poke that, then rinse and bleach. On the up block, they hide, we seek. Put one in the air, not using pods. But every day still counting peas. Jeez.
Put one in the air, not using pods, AirPods. Come on, man. You gotta keep up, bro. You gotta keep up, fam.
Step on the this, you're joking, man, poke him, then leave that scheme.
Poke that, then rinse and bleach. On the up block, they hide, we seek. Put one in the air, not using pods. But every day still counting peas. Jeez. Cook out the beef with heat. Make it rise up and fry that meat. Turn your white tea red. Crouch on the floor when I shoot like Pete. Put my blade to your
Turn your white tea red, turn like... Wait, what? Cause Stoke City kid, white and red, you know. You know? Alright, yo. Don't make them bars that fly over your head, you know, youth. What you say?
fry that meat. Turn your white tea red. Crouch on the floor when I shoot like Pete.
Crouch on the floor when I shoot like Pete. Turn your white tea red. Crouch on the floor when I shoot like Pete. Stoke City kid a white and red. Peter Crouch the top strike. You know, remember the goal where Peter Crouch scored against Man City, the volley, when the man just chase it and boop. Youth. Yo, hear me saying, dog. Yeah, man. You can tell to me like that song already. Easy, man. Just easy, the YF. Easy, though. Just go easy, man.
Put one in the air, not using pods. But every day still counting peas. Jeez, cook out the beef with heat. Make it rise up and fry that meat. Turn your white tea red. Crouch on the floor when I shoot like Pete.
Put my blade to your neck like a bow tie like COD, man, so bloodthirsty. Spin that round, ching that down. Fuck them, man, could
Bloodthirsty, I know one perk in a card. Dad, the man them a forward different. Shit. God damn, nigga. Like, I'm never ready for this still. I'm not gonna lie, I can't even reach a minute good in the song yet, bro. Do you know?
Using pods, but every day still counting peas. Jeez,
oh, if people are complaining like, yo, bro, you paused it too much, bro. Yo, brother. Move from your son and you what? I may react to the song. Thumping on your face, brother. I'm tell you. Pause it when I want to pause it.
The beef with heat, make it rise up
fry
and
that
fry
meat.
that meat. Turn your white tea red, crouch on the floor when I shoot like Pete.
Put my blade to your neck like a bow tie like COD, man, so bloodthirsty. Spin that round, ching that down. Fuck them, man, cause them, man, they quirky. Bad B come better than man, and this bad B come chocolate like Hershey's. Don't be in the middle like Partings, or I'll clock it and turn man Percy. I'll turn man like Hershey's. Don't be in the middle like Partings, or I'll clock it and turn man Percy.
Don't be in the middle like Partings. Like a parting in the rock. It almost flew over my head. Almost. You couldn't get me, nigga. Fuck no, you can't get me, nigga.
In that round, ching that down. Fuck them man, cause them man they quirky. Bad B come better than man, and this bad B come chocolate like Hershey's. Don't be in the middle like partings, or I'll clock it and turn man Percy. I'll turn man poke and pack it with a blade, move bold and ratchet. Swing it, give a man loads to manage.
Yo, you see him swing that while ago? Me can't swing like that. Still can't be. I go fuck this up. But watch him swing him on. Watch him swing him on.
Bad B come chocolate like Hershey's. Don't be in the middle like partings, or I'll clock it and turn man Percy.
Watch this.
I'll turn man poke and pack it with a blade, move bold and ratchet. Swing it, give a man loads to manage.
Must I swing it? Oh my God. You don't sing the shank after me, brother.
I'll turn man poke and pack it with a blade, move bold and ratchet. Swing it, give a man loads to manage. Definition of cold and savage. Vroom, skirt, beat, beat. Why they not link up on the streets? On the back road, tourist beam. Man, crash that, pass that to my G.
For the heat, cause the ends is scorching.
You know why that scene funny to me? Cause all I can hear in the back of my head is SJ said, don't sleep with your bear, start running away. And you've heard like Turner, Lil Jojo got himself bored up and he's beefing the O and he still ain't turn up. That's all I can hear in the back of my head every time I look at that scene, bro. Let's watch it one more time. I watch her, she look at him, she's like, you really left me? But she go back for the back door. Tell you, dog, she don't give a fuck about you, man. She gives a fuck about the drip and the money that you give her, bro. No love for these hoes, fam.
I'll turn man poke and pack it with a blade, move bold and ratchet. Swing it, give a man loads to manage. Definition of cold and savage. Vroom, skirt, beat, beat. Why they not link up on the streets? On the back road, tourist beam. Man, crash that, pass that to my G.
For the heat, cause the ends is scorching. Vroom, vroom, where the engine roaring. Over there, get fried with a burger, chips, no unlimited cooling. The thugs are fucking hazards, so you better approach with caution. Bangers, trappers, slam that hammer, like ending bids in the auction. Red bandana, raise that caution. Bangers,
YF look kinda diesel.
trappers, slam that hammer, like.
Or the one are the jacket tight or the bad just diesel. I don't for them money I spend time 9 pence still in the dog. So hey, you know, I try to get diesel to you know see me. To a thump of money in my face, you know.
It's a fucking hazard, so you better approach with caution. Bangers, trappers, slam that hammer, like ending bids in the auction. Red bandana, raise that flag up. If you're not even with it, get bored. Prince of Persia, waving swords. Man, down, leave a point on board. Girl, brack your back on all fours right now. Let me see how you hold this wood. Let me see.
You see? This is how you know them money are not real like artists, you understand? Like, can you just race that? You understand? Them tough still, you know, bars, punchlines, whatever, but them just need to forget that time in the studio, they forget them like something they out of the way. Because them think they can throw you off when you listen to music, you understand? But it's tough same way, don't take nothing from it.
Man, down, leave a point on board. Girl, brack your back on all fours right now. Let me see how you hold this wood. Let me see how you hold this clip, and if I don't hit them, my homies would.
Tryna hunt a man down like Ben Owen, like he does it in hunting. DZ dying in and no fronting, swing my Anglo, have a man just stunting. Or I might empty his thoughts, turn them course like a rascal like pumpkin. Like we make the schemes then beat for the
empty his thoughts, make him like a rascal pumpkin. You know when you carve out the pumpkin. Yo, anyway, dog. Anyways, fam.
Or I might empty his thoughts, turn them course like a rascal like pumpkin. Like we make the schemes then beat for the tape of streets when I rise and dump this.
Back then I was Robin Hoods, now dishing out feel like I'm Robin Hood. It's over there where the shots get talked, cause soon that shing you're holding a drop. Look, ain't selling a chorus, when I say that I'm swinging a hook. Blood, all of my tugs are drilling, don't slip or get left in poke.
Ain't selling a chorus and I'm swinging a hook, fam. Got blade in my hand like Captain Hook.
It's over there where the shots get talked, cause soon that shing you're holding a drop. Look, ain't selling a chorus, when I say that I'm swinging a hook. Blood, all of my tugs are drilling, don't slip or get left in poke.
Get left in a fucking ditch, swing my right arm in a figure of 6. Wait, in a figure of 8, I'm over them sides trying to catch this K. In a mix like Bombay, in the can man stomp face. 4 years got rid of the walk, I got down up, I'm on main.
Late night creeping, but I still take shots in the morning. Shift that gear, then step in the gas round here, no time for the stalling. You'll think that man's like
that's the bad still.
Shift that gear, then step in the gas round here, no time for the stalling. You'll think that man's like seeing if I say that we're up block touring. In the full of scoring, you feel the heat, cause the ends is scorching.
You're gonna trademark for the clip. The money man trademark for a building. Humble lad. Big up drill season, big up Daz, OFB, YF, and Popman TV. You don't know. So that was OFB, YF, DZ, no hook. Yeah, man. Boy, me don't think me catch all of the, me that try to catch all of the lines them and the meanings and metaphors and similes and everything. I feel like I miss some of them. So I might have to go back after this and listen it again. Because I download it still. Download it, trust me, tough. It's just when, what was it, YF did raise a beat little bit in that one part there. But otherwise from that, tough. And then you know them follow the same like, I don't know nothing about else unless that shit ends with V. You know what I'm saying? Like, man. Jano. Tottenham hot right now. Tottenham hot. At your fuck. Like Jamaica. I don't know why I have this on outside. So if you hear like a little buzz in the background, I'm a fan. Because summertime in Jamaica now, brother. Time hot. I can't record without the fan. If me turn on the AC, would I hear too much noise? But may I tell you all of that for? You don't know, Cogency on a Cogency Reacts channel, gaming channel in the link below, music channel in the link below. Subscribe to them there. You understand? And more reactions coming soon. I have I have a couple more to do after this, so expect more videos. Yeah. And I'm out, motherfucker.